This is the hiccup remedy.
Oh, get him one more time.
Fuck. I can't
Start again.
do it.
This is go.
Hi. My name is Chris, reporting live from Miami.
Bitch.
South
Miami.
Beach.
Bitch. Tom, unfortunately, came down with a case of hiccups. So, we came up with some remedies. Remedies. Oh, hi.
Hi.
So, we came up with some remedies, and Tom is going to put it to use.
All right.
Ready?
Combine them all.
Commence.
Take it over to Tom.
Ready, set, go! He's going upside down, about to hold his breath. He's going to scare himself and tickle his temples at the same time.
How's he gonna scare
The water. Can't forget the water.
Scare him, and drink water.
Pour water in his mouth.
You got the cup and you want to pour it in your mouth. You
Can
want me
I
to put
post
it in your
this?
mouth?
Pour it in his mouth.
I can't drink that. I had water in my mouth already.
He can
Oh,
do
okay,
it.
okay.
He's swallowing.
Did I try to scare you?
Scare him. Chris, go. Ready?
How do I scare him?
Just do it.
Someone squeeze my temples.
Someone say
Squeeze your temple. Squeeze your temple.
Oh, that is.
I haven't heard a hiccup yet,
I haven't either.
so I think it's working.
Somebody ooga booga.
Wants to go like that.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Done.
Get out of the way.
Yeah!
Did it work?
My head hurts.
Now let's
I think it works.
I gotta see the video.